Okay, I took a trade while that one was loading up. Went long here. I did not wait for it to crest this. I got a little too excited, so it's checked back. It's making another run. And let's see what this looks like. This is the typical move up, check back. Check back twice now. It hasn't broken through. So I will go long here, provided it beats 2809. Quite there yet. Over here, 2809 and 50. So I gotta wait for it this time. Okay.
Order filled.
So there's the 500. There's the 1 minute. There's a Ninja 1 minute. Could be a bit choppy here. Looking good already. Geesh. Yeah, okay. Taking a look at the charts again here. This looks like it could be decent for us here. Possibly. We'll see what happens. There's our 1 minute on the speed up chart. 500 on the Ninja. Stop is sitting right now. 2806 and a half. It's one of those things where, to be honest, the very first trade that I said I wasn't going to go in on, I probably should have, which was this very first breakout here. I should have went long here. I would have been done for the day. Avoided all of this nonsense in here. But there's a pattern forming. Goes up, checks back, goes up, checks back. It's broken the high here. So hopefully it doesn't check back into my stop. We'll see what happens. You might also say that maybe my stops are too tight here, which is possible for this kind of environment. But over the long term, the 12 stop has treated me well, so I would prefer just to stick with it and not move it to 16 ticks or 20 or 24. Try to reduce losses. I'd rather just get in on better entries, which it looks like I've done on this trade, although it's early yet. See, I'm only at maximum 75 bucks. I'm down. Here's what I'm down total for the day on those two crummy trades. Take a quick look at the daily here. Friday, huge down day. I was at work. I made a bad trade, then the good trade I made was a little bit late. My office filled up with people and I had to get out. I could have easily, I was already in this trade way up here. I would have let it ride all the way down. However, one of the pitfalls of trying to trade at work. And anyways, there's the daily. Been way down here. Let's see what happens. Hopefully this thing is, if it's checking back, it doesn't check back below this guy here. This line, which is around 2808 and a quarter, which is the support line here, roughly. Anyways, I'll check back in a bit. Okay, we got a little bit of room between our entry point and where we're sitting now. I've moved my stop to break even. I'm looking to run this up to 218. After 215, the next level is around 218 from Friday, I guess. Also, the high of the day is 18 and a half. And if I reach 18, I will recover my losses from this morning. Right now, I'm sitting right here. But we want to let this run as much as possible. The ninja charts all look very strong. 500, 1 minute. Right in here. 18, 19. See what happens. If it pulls back into here, I might just take these profits because I'm behind for the day. Also looking at the clock here, it's 8:30 Pacific time, 11:30 out east. Um, close to lunchtime. I prefer to be done by then. Just in case this little run is over. So, anyways. Decided to take the profits out of that because I got to claw my way back. Once it crosses this here moving average, I get a little nervous. I usually take those profits when I'm up anyways at that point. So, whatever. A decent little run. If it turns around and if it runs into this again, 1815, this little top here, 50 and 50, it'll probably be making a run for 18. So I'll get in long again at that point. But for right now, I've recovered half the 2/3 of the money I lost. So I was down almost $300. Anyways. It was a good read to get out there. It's come back down. Anyways, I'll load this one up and we'll see what happens.